Hey y'all, it's Justin for the Cabin Depot, your off-grid living solutions provider. Today we are looking at the Kedron multifunctional solar light kit. Now this is an all-in-one solution. It has your solar panel, your LED light, and your lithium battery pack all into one. So let's take a look at what came in the box. We got a bag of screws, anchors, and an Allen key for installation. We got a little handy-dandy manual. I encourage you to read it. And we get the light system, all-in-one solution. So as you can see, we have our solar panel on top. We have this little 10-watt light that is adjustable. So you can kind of adjust it to any angle that you would like. We have some brackets here for mounting. It seems to be quite versatile and adjustable to whatever your specific mounting needs are. Or I guess you could even use this as a handle. So if you were out camping, you're with the family, you set that out to charge all day, and then at night, well, you can carry this around or use it as a light. So as you can see, we're in the wilderness today, but the sun is starting to go down. So let's check out what this light can do. All right, that's pretty bright and powerful. This light has a few different features. I'm just using the on and off switch, which means I just press the button for 3 seconds, the light comes on. If I want to turn it off, I press the button again. This does have a dusk to dawn feature, which means when the sun goes down, the light's coming on. When the sun comes back up, the light turns off. It also has a built-in motion sensor, so if you just prefer it to come on when the sensor is going to detect some motion, then there's that option as well. Hey everyone, thanks for checking the video out. The Kedron multifunctional light is an all-in-one solution that is versatile, easy to use, easy to install, has a 2-year warranty, and is waterproof. If you like this video, check out our other videos here, like this video, and subscribe to the page. Thanks for checking it out.